Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to zoom in on a clip using Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, select the clip you want to zoom in on from your timeline. With the clip selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Locate the Motion section and click the drop-down arrow to expand it. You'll see options for position and scale. To create a zoom effect, start by clicking the stopwatch icons next to both position and scale. Make sure your playhead is at the start of the clip before doing this. Now move the playhead to where you want the zoom effect to end. With the playhead in place, adjust the scale value to zoom in. You can also tweak the position values to adjust the framing. When you make these changes, new keyframes will be automatically created. To make the zoom faster, simply move the ending keyframes closer to the starting ones on the timeline. This will speed up the zoom effect. And that's it. You've now created a zoom effect in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.